And a fun fact about me is I actually won a jerk chicken competition and I've never cooked jerk chicken before that.
So you're breaking up with me because I'm too blonde?
Dave, are you hungry? Say yeah!
You're about to fall. What are you doing in there? Watch out. Watch out. You're gonna fall. Oh my god. Dixie, are you okay? Get out. What the heck? Are you okay? Are you okay, baby?
You can pack your things and leave. There's the door. There's the door, bitch!
Thank you so much.
Thank you for being so dumb.
1, 2, 3, go!
So apparently cats lick your scent off when you pet them.
What is that noise? Whoa, get a boy. Good stretch. Good morning. Good morning, Angel. Good morning, Angel. Oh, baby.
What's this say? That's right.
So I read on the internet that cats get on your laptop because they're mirroring you, and so if you get them their own laptop, they'll leave you alone. And look at this little businessman!
hicieron, Pop? ¿Te tiraron, mi amor? ¿Qué te hicieron, mi amor? Ay, mi chiquito, ¿tienes mucho frío? Ay, mi amor, ¿por qué les hacen eso a los animalitos, mi vida? ¿Vas a estar seguro? Ay, sí, mi amor.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Cooper. I'm sorry for calling you a dusty chinchilla. Yes, I am! You're not even a dusty chinchilla. You're more just like a Cabbage Patch Cat. I didn't raise you to talk to me like that. I love you anyway.
Uno, you want to go to PetSmart? We made it to PetSmart. So the reason Uno are going to PetSmart today is we're going to try these plastic nail things that will keep his claws from being sharp. You excited to try that, Uno? He's loving it. Kitty caps. You excited to have pretty nails? Oh, you're down to try anything. He's going to go down the stairs. He loves going down the stairs. He's making friends. Say bye, PetSmart. Bye, PetSmart. Made it home. Uno's really calm and tired. Right now might be a really good time to try to put on the nail. This is the glue. This is the nail. I put glue into the nail thing. Get one of Uno's paws, slide it on. It's way easier than I thought it was gonna be. Treats will distract your cat from the nails. Cat will be so busy with the treats, won't realize the nails are drying. Oh, look at those nails. You're so pretty. The nails have not stopped him from wanting to play. Kitty caps. Would you wear them again, Uno? I think that's a yes. Let the people see your nails. So pretty. So pretty.